art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hoppy Hopscotch in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first for our eyes on the left hand side, let's start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a gap coming over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that across. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a nice big half circle for the pupil. Moving up for the eyebrows now, we're just going to curve this line down on both sides. In the middle, let's draw in a straight line across. And then now coming underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the bottom of the mouth. Now let's close off our head. So starting on the top, we're going to create a nice big circle, curving this line around and then through towards the bottom. And then as we start back on our top line, we're going to continue to curve this around and then back through. Let's draw in the ears now. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving that up and out. We're going to end that at roughly the same height. And then now starting back on this line, we're going to again continue to bring this line down on the side, curving that in towards the top of our head. Now, as we come in towards the middle, again, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then down, just making that shorter. We're going to close this off on the top now by drawing in a straight line that comes across. Let's move down for the body now. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we'll close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. In the middle now, we're going to draw in the lightning bolt. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top and leaving a gap, replicating that on the bottom. From the top here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in, and then we're going to bring this line straight across. On the left-hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the middle, and then from that point, again, bringing this back down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Hoppy Hopscotch in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.